ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kumbalong lem haki wegi jilla hapokari India ka St. George Higher Secondary School Shillong ru Jingrakhe ya kasngikha jong Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Menteri rangba do barim gari ya bala ainam kum ka Children's Day. Haka khatsau tarik unai wing arajar arpulai gane ka school Jingrakhe ru ya ka 32nd annual day daga penkup buram ya ki kena school ki bala pas bha haka examen SSLC 2023. Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak seniau bhalang dhar ulashim ya ka benta kumu kongsan ha ka jing sak hilang ya ka program daki kena skul ki kme ki pa bat kinong hikai skul. Lapan ipo ipeng ya gani ka sni da ka jing shat tanrai ki kena red jong ka skul ha ki rukam shat tanrai khasi jaintia bat garo. Ubak seniau bhalang ulapan kup buram ya arngut ki kena skul jong gani ka shlem ajing hikai ki ba kentup ya one borlang one sai ubala yo shispa na ka shispa ha ka subject mathematics bat unishan talukdar ubala yo bat ya ka rank 17 ha ka MBOS exam 2023
and represents the dispelling of darkness and the arrival of light, which is often associated with the illumination. A huge round of applause. Let us all put our hands together.
I remember when I was in school life, Children's Days, Independence Days, Republic Days is the most joyous days as a student. But one thing I should say is that I feel shy to say I'm the chief guest to give to some moments to our most excellent student. But anyway, I feel proud. To score even 95-97% is not a joke. I'm just imagining it to get 100%. It's really marvelous to all of us. And the word of wisdom says that the word impossible is not there in the legal dictionaries. You are the future leaders of the state of Meghalaya and the country as well. The quantity does not matter, it's the quality who matters. The quality who matters. We are very rare to have such equality in the state of the country as well. You see, as a politician, sometimes we used to accept everything as a politician, as a political leader. Today we may receive a bad news. Tomorrow we may receive a good news. That is the leader life. Sometimes we politicians, we used to smile in front of others, which is not genuine. You know why? Just to please others mean to adjust the situation. To adjust the situation. So therefore, student is the powerful response of the country as a whole. Education is only tools who can change the whole world. So therefore, I request the student, the teachers, to be serious in the duties that you have performed. St. George School is one of the best schools. Maybe small in size, maybe skewed in number, maybe not up to the mark as per the quality, maybe not up to the mark as we expected, but we want reality. So now today we have witnessed that the reality or the quality of students from this school is really marvelous to all of us.
With the unwavering dedication, hard work,